Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a TikTok video without watermark for free. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch a TikTok app first. Let's try to find the video that we want to download. Let's say we want to download this video, or this video over here, okay? Let's click on the share button. Then you see you have 1, 2, 3 different menus. All you gotta do is to click on the second menu on the second option, which is copy link, the blue button. When you click copy link, now you just copy the link on your clipboard. Second step is very easy. I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this app over here. It's called snaptik.app. You want to click on it. Then on the TikTok search bar here in the app itself, I want you to paste the link that we just copied from the video. Then I want you to simply click download. And there you have it. The app processed the video very fast. You have plenty of different options to download the video. I want you to make sure that you guys click on the right button, right? Sometimes you might have some of these ads that look like a download button or look like different clicking buttons. I want you to make sure that you will be able to do so. Here also on the bottom it says that this app also will let you download the Chinese version of TikTok videos from there, Douyin, right? They will also allow you to download TikTok slides and TikTok stories. But essentially, this is how you download videos without watermark for free. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.